It's a really interesting question about the application of prefabricated or modular data centers in the marketplace. As you may know, a year ago at Data Center Dynamics, we made a major announcement about Schneider Electric's commitment to the market. And we involved quite a bit of an R&D commitment in coming up with a set of reference designs, as well as an ability to modify those reference designs to customers' requirements. We strengthened that position after the show by acquiring AST Modular in January of that year. So that really brought us and accelerated our capabilities and background in being able to do modular designs. What we've learned in this period is a couple of things have proven to be true, we believe, which is that customers wanted to get the benefit of a prefabricated data center. However, they needed a process where they could still customize and meet the preferences and the site constraints that they have to deal with. And up until this point, we think the message was much more about, I'm a manufacturer, here's a module, take it or leave it. And we think we brought into the marketplace a much more customizable approach that's really made it much more broad in its adoption. And there's three general categories that we're seeing of adoption. One is small, medium enterprises who generally are looking at it from a more tactical standpoint. Maybe they just need to extend the life of a data center and they just need some extra space. They just need to get through a few more years. And we're certainly seeing a lot of that application happening. We're also seeing quite a bit in industrial applications, so oil and gas, a ruggedized version of the module that can go out and be deployed into a relatively harsh environment and give you a full data center capability. And then the third one is a lot what Cap Gemini, that we're announcing today, is where you're seeing major large-scale deployments by leaders in the industry and really trying to get the benefits out of the prefab approach. What Cap Gemini is doing, they've really been a thought leader in implementing modular data centers. And what's interesting is that for this expansion that they're doing, they've chosen to work with us. That's the announcement that we're making today. And it is a very large-scale deployment, but their approach is quite interesting. Is if you talk with Paul, he's very much in tune with the need to be able to utilize capital efficiently and scale with the business and scale the deployment with the business, which really is quite a fascinating application for prefab, which is inherently scalable. And then I think one of the things we really tried to bring to the table is the ability to work with him to make sure we were meeting some of the preferences he has in design choices, as well as dealing with the constraints that he has on the site and trying to work so that he can get the benefits out of our approach with prefab, but still meet his needs. So it's really been a great relationship up until now, and we're excited to be working with Paul and Cap Gemini.